In today's video, we will learn different action words we use when we cook food. Wash. Wash means to clean with water. We wash our vegetables before we eat them. Cut. Cut means to divide something using a knife or scissors. I cut the apple. Chop. Chop means to cut food into many small pieces. She chops the vegetables. Slice. When you slice a food, you cut the food into thin, flat pieces. Please slice the bread. Peel. Peel means to take the skin off of a fruit or vegetable. Let's peel the potatoes. Mix. Mix means to combine ingredients together. We need to mix the flour and the sugar. Pour. Pour is to move liquid like water, tea, coffee, or milk from one container to another. Please pour me some coffee. Add. Add means to put something in. Add flour. Stir. Stir means to move ingredients around in a circle with a spoon. The chef stirs the soup. Cook. Cook means to make food ready to eat by using heat. Cook the rice for 15 minutes. Bake. Bake is to cook food in the oven. Bake the cake for 45 minutes. Fry. Fry means to cook food in oil in a pan. We will fry the fish. Boil. Boil is to cook something in hot water. The water needs to be bubbling, like in this picture. Boil the potatoes until they are soft. Serve. Serve means to give food to people to eat. I will serve the food in 1 hour. Thanks so much for watching. Check back soon for more videos to practice these vocabulary terms. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss them.